So ngayon maglalakad-lakad tayo sa whole subdivision. Okay lang kahit mainit, masarap naman yung simoy ng hangin. So kaya carry lang. Ayan, yun yung 2-story duplex unit. So by the way, no, magkwentuhan lang tayo ngayon. Ngayon pala, ubos na yung 2-story single attached units. Pero worry no more kasi marami pang mga 2-story duplex units like this one. Meron ding marami pang ganito, yung mga 1-story duplex unit, yung mga ganyan. This one, 1-story duplex unit. So if you want to avail a unit na 2-story, yung pwedeng ma-offer lang natin ngayon is yung 2-story duplex unit lang muna. Kasi yun nga, ubos na yung inventory ng 2-story single attached. Maglalakad-lakad tayo dito. I-feel lang natin yung ambience. Today is around mga 10:35 in the morning. So ito yung ambience natin dito ngayon. And kung nagtatanong kayo regarding sa feel ng area, actually mahangin talaga siya today, no, windy siya. So hindi sobrang bothering yung init because of yung hangin na dumadaan galing from the Iligan Bay. So nasa roundabout tayo ngayon sa Rotonda. In this location, at my back, that is the Iligan Bay. And kung nandito lang kayo, makikita nyo talaga gaano kaganda yung view na makikita within the Iligan Bay. So today din, meron akong dalawang client na magto-turn over ng unit. So yung kinuha nilang unit is the 1-story duplex unit like this one. Around dito yun, along the perimeter fence of the whole subdivision. Alright, so lakad-lakarin natin dito. Ayan. Ayan. So this is I think this one, both of these are their units. And this unit along the perimeter fence. Yan. So every unit also has its own pathway for your car. This is our parking area. And as you can see, this unit is along the perimeter fence of the subdivision. Alright, so we are very secured here. Ayan. So ito yung nasa likod. And by the way, baka magtaka kayo, pwede kayong mag-fence ng mga units ninyo. Meron lang design na ini-endorse yung subdivision. And yung design na yun is yun yung susundin natin para sa ating unit na fence. Alright?